Add car change management principle. First thing is awareness. You are trying to bring something here, right? You're going to get something on ground. First thing is awareness. What do I mean by awareness? Recognize the problem, or people, you start making them think way ahead of time. Let's say this is a 1-year project. You don't do this awareness on the last day. You do this awareness whenever this change is happening or whenever the change has started. Okay? Desire. How do you get people's desire? What's in it for me? Why should I jump with you on this? Whether this has been proven in another city or another place and they have seen the benefit, you'll have to get the desire of the people, right? In your case, for example, on the collision shop, why should they change? Because it's going to make their life easy, because it's simple, because we will be able to speak, whatever that desire is. Why are you jumping on lean? Tell me, what's your desire? After the white belt training, I gave you a white belt training here. What was the desire? Why are you here today? Or why are you trying to improve your process? I'm taking you as a case study.
Yeah, just to streamline things, to make things run more efficiently, and to trim the fat, basically. Take more time to spend with patients in the healthcare setting instead of multiple unnecessary steps. So basically take out the useless steps and open up time for the more useful steps or value.
How many people are you?
How many? One person. Like how many people?
I did on purpose. It was a stupid question, but the meaning was, we're right. This is only you. You are aware, your desire is good. We have given awareness training to other 4 people also. Your desire doesn't mean it's her desire. Are you guys getting my point? Maybe she is here on the desire. Maybe this one is here on desire. Maybe this one doesn't even have a desire. That's what change management is, that you have to look at individual people, that where are they on their journey of change management. Then comes knowledge. Now you have jumped in. Sorry, I forgot your name.
Joe.
Joe has jumped in to get more knowledge. You are working on a current state map and a future state map. You are going through me, through a knowledge. And I'm also giving you ability to do and change these things. Okay? And finally, reinforcement. Why he should get into the lean culture? Because he has gone through the journey of lean. You cannot just give people awareness and then become lean. You have to take them through step by step. This is human psychology. What I would tell you, go to the ProSci course, but don't take all the data they will give you. They will make you crazy with 6,500 documents. I didn't take that. I took the philosophy. When I was sitting through that class, I looked at this whole thing and I said, wow, lean already has this. We give the awareness to the people because we don't change process without them. We raise their desire by listening to them, by giving them more training, by hearing their pains, whatever that is. Then we give them knowledge that what lean can do for them. Then we do a process review with them, for them, and they see an improvement. And after that, we create a huddle structure where they do this over and over and over again. A lean leader believes in developing people, and that's the one thing I loved about Honda was every 1 month CJ's training was booked, and CJ has 35 people, 50 people reporting to him. Everybody had to have some kind of training, whether it's on-the-job training, whether it's missing skill training, one guy is rude, the other guy is very touchy, whatever those are. We had all those kinds of training. See, I'm not joking. Our human resources did their own training in-house, or we would bring people from outside. And that's the one thing I missed in North America. Doesn't happen too much. Even working for a great municipality, trainings were happening, but not at the pace. You hired the person now, it's your responsibility to develop them. You have to analyze your people's skill and you have to find out what's good in them, what's bad in them, so you can work on the good, optimize the good, and work on the bad side. The point I'm trying to again make is find the negatives and find the positives, and that's why you guys are. Even if you're a lean leader, even if people doesn't report to you, You have to find out that this team needs this. This team needs this training. This team needs body training. This team needs more building permit knowledge training. Whatever that gaps are, you have to find out to do the job. I do all these process review. The biggest thing I find out is, first of all, there are 15 people doing this job and none of them are doing it equally. One is here, the other one is here. Or the other one is here, or the other one is here. You will find out in your process reviews, the skill levels are not equal. One of the biggest team will always come out. Very important in Honda was I had a skill development plan for my team. You guys report to me. I have to list down the key skills I need for you. The names are on the left, the skills are on the top, and I have to rate you face to face. How are you doing on electrical analysis? 25%. And you will say, no, I'm at 75. You talk. And you can create a criteria for each of them also. It's up to you how detailed you want to go. You put down all your skills on the top and you rate them 25, 55, 75. Generally I do is 0, 25, 50, 75, 100. Why? Because quarters are good. You don't want to go crazy. 61%. How do you do that? It's very tough. Even how do you come out with 50 is by discussion. So list all the positions in the organization. List all the key skills. If it's different group, different skills, do it differently. This is one group. This is second group. This is third group because the skills have changed on the top. You know what I'm saying? If you have a team of similar people, keep it similar. For an admin assistant, you don't need technical knowledge, for example. You will give her a separate line, single line, and a single set of skills what she needs. Meet all the positions individually. Why do I say individually? I'm going to show your score to him. What am I doing? Comparing, and then this is actually very bad. If the group is okay to share, then share. But if group is not okay to share, do not share. It's very personal. It tells that he's weak somewhere, or he's very strong somewhere. And people may say, no, he's not. The last time he couldn't fix that problem. You may think I'm teaching you something which is out of the world. It's not. In your process reviews, you guys will have to do it, especially when you have similar positions and you see there is a gap. This is a tool which will show you. So this is an exercise at table. One team member can do it together. These are the skills required for becoming a lean green belt or a lean practitioner. So do it together. Do it. One person in the middle can write. Write down your names and be honest to yourself. Today, spill your beans and talk to each other how much percentage you are on in each skill. And at the bottom, create like a plan. Excel training, CJ will be going here. Statistics, CJ will be going here. Or John will be going here. Create a plan. Talk to each other. The big sheet. So this is Avatar. Lead with purpose. Remember the Titans, create a winning team against all odds. You will have to, because process improvement is not coming. Do you want it in writing? I can give it to you in writing. I've seen it year over year, project over project. The Crudes, challenge the status quo. You have to push the team to challenge. If they are at 160 days, you have to challenge them in a good sense. Let's cut it down to 80 days. No process improvement is coming. Blind side, you will have to develop them. You're going to find out holes in the system. Okay? You're going to have to develop your people. Last but not least, be mindful, be emotionally intelligent. That's what we have learned. To wrap it all up, you are here. You want to get there. You need the technical side of the project. You need people side of the project. You cannot do it alone. You will have to have the need of your own project-specific technicalities. You need to know about ultrasound. You need to know about Ecotex. You need to know about how the city and municipalities are operated. That's the key specific technicalities. You need to know how to maintain a nuclear power plant, right? That's the technical side. You need that because people will look up to you for that piece. They also need you to have project management. How are you going to manage this? Lean and project management goes together. Because it is our thinking that you are starting something, you're going to finish it in a certain period of time. If you're calling it a lean project, don't just create an action plan and say, we will do it. You need to have a start and you have to have an end. Just do it. That's the philosophy. And of course, you need Lean Six Sigma tools. Okay? Then you need the change management because you're going to ask these people to change. You're going to ask employees to be engaged. You're going to have the leadership skills. When you put lean, lean puts everything together in a package if done it right. And I'm trying to teach you right. The biggest problem in organizations is, especially again if I can pick up on public service, is budget. That's the only thing important. Budget and the service level, if we have any service level. Okay? In private companies, it's only profits. Owner only looks at the profit and loss statement. He or she doesn't deep dive to understand where that profit is coming from. In their case, the profit and loss is the profit and loss of six collision shops. They're too high. Then one collision shop, second collision shop, third collision shop, fourth collision shop. Then comes each car. Each car is going every day. Your profit is here, right? It's coming from each car which is leaving the plant. If you're not managing each car, how are you going to manage the profit? So most important thing is understanding that there are key performance measures and understanding what customer is saying and converting them into KPIs. Key performance measures. Now, these are the targets. Now we are not achieving them. Why is answered by lean process reviews, which is one part of lean, or problem solving, which is A3 problem solving. Those are tools. I'm teaching you how to create first a culture, second, how to ask the right questions, how to set the right target so you can engage the team, which is second chapter, Hoshin Kanri, strategy deployment. You guys are with me? You guys will get there if you put the technical side and the people side of the project together. I have seen some projects, people only focus on the technical side and they forget about the people side. You're not going to get too much. Once you answer, what is my services and processes, then you refine your KPIs from the voice of the customer, from the voice of the business, by each service. Training, we are supposed to do 100 trainings in $100,000. That's one KPI, right? I'm just giving an example. Second, coaching, we should be able to close a coaching class from the request comes in to the request goes in 10 days. I'm just answering it, okay? Once you go through the exercise, you will know. I'm just showing you. This is my simplified Hoshin Kanri. Get the KPIs, set 3 to 5 years objective. Toyota doesn't believe in 1 year. Well, they do, but first they set a target longer, and then they reduce the target for the year. And then when you set the objectives, tactical process improvements will come automatically. My biggest challenge comes when I go into an organization or a public service organization, people don't even know where we should focus. For me, it's not a tough, but that a little bit makes me worry that we are managing the show, but we don't know where are the key holes in my process, or which service or which process should I improve. Okay, same thing, private and public, both sides, same thing is happening. So this will help you create that shopping list at the end. For this year, we have these 10 things to work on. There is no purpose. Why would people connect? They didn't understand why a manager was asking to improve. For them, it's okay. Till the time we figured out that, yes, we are at $25,000 and cost of operation is $235,000. We can make that money. We are not enforcing the bylaw. That's what it boiled down to. And now they're finding all the holes. I just spent 1 day with them. They found out all the holes. They are not optimizing the bylaw, and they are tax money, guys. People are misusing the bylaw. But now they connected because the bylaw is there. There is money lost. Otherwise, CJ is coming to do a process review. I'm a tool. Use me. But there should be a purpose which I should be coming to help you to get to a purpose, not just train you on lean. There should be 7 or 8 cars to increase your gross profit from 30% to 55%. There's a purpose, there is an objective. You will get it. If you will measure it, you will get it. If you are connected, you will get it. If you'll focus, you'll get it. You don't need me, honest to God. We just make good money. You don't need us. Because you guys missed that piece, that's why you need us. I was a programs manager and my job was to launch projects for Honda, Toyota and all this. So I applied lean and project management there. So the point I'm trying to make is that's where it starts. First, listing down the services and processes, understanding at high level what is my quality, what is my cost, and then finding the linkages. We are already connecting the daily work. You cannot connect daily work without understanding the key services and key processes.